Masaya. Hello! Grabe yung snack princess Spain! So we just landed and then wala pang ligo, wala pang balit-balit ng damit.
Makikita nyo naman sa itsura namin.
First day, Montserrat. So we're gonna ride the train. Kumusta naman yung flight?
Tulog lang ako. At kumain.
Yeah. Okay, may na-discover kami. Friend, ano ba nangyari sa'yo, friend? Friend, may jet lag. Sorry! Don't mix it. Only MC can. Hindi, sabi ko, there's something weird. Ito pala dapat siya. Rewind after. Rewind. Kaya pa? We're gonna watch something for us to know more about Montserrat. Are you ready? Natulog may quiz tayo after kids. Bring 1/4 sheet of paper. Okay. 1/4. Crosswise. How about the one of crosswise? Lengthwise. It's an identification. Identification kasi, so kahit one word lang yung mga sagot. So lengthwise. Pag essay, crosswise. Intermediate.
Wala kang 1/4. So bigla may intermediate.
Para gumawa.
You see that the one of these was that
We're gonna light the candles. Oh my god, so you're offering for?
So we can have a baby this year.
Oh, I'm offering for 100% recovery for all of my injuries and my teammates' injuries. I'm just giving thanks for all the blessings that we received this past conference. Thank you so much for all the blessings, Lord. Thank you for the win and everything. Hi, nagko-couple picture na naman. Lumalamang na naman po.
Ayun, ang cute! Wait, patingin nga.
Halika na, hindi nakita yung face lang. Official photographer. MG, how about our photo? Kami couple! Clarissa, come on! So, we're trying to line up here to enter. We're not trying. Actually, in line. We're not even trying. Kasi we're having a line to go to enter sa Basilica. It's only 1:30 and it's gonna open at 2 o'clock. So, as yung tour guide namin, feeling ko magka-cut in line siya and we fully support. Coach, hi ka naman, Coach. Ito lang pinunta ni Coach Sherwin. We're in Codorniu. It's a winery. Codorniu. Yeah. Siguro pag naka-isang baso kami ng wine dito, makatulog na kami. For sure. Well, isang bote. As a strong woman. So the last time nag-wine tasting kami ni Dai, injured siya. Hindi siya masyadong makainang. Focus. Pati siya hindi na kaya pa ba? Pero still, napapahali kami. Hindi ako makainaw kasi injured ako. But now, still injured. But, watch out. Lagyan mo ng background music to ng Korean drama. Bakit? Ano nangyayari? Simpaswati. Ay, grabe naman, Loli! May laba ko sa'yo ka. Hey! Pero di na nagtagal lumabas. Thank you! Ako bigla ay mga pagmataas at narimintas. Hey! Thanks, Larabay!
Beijing sa manliligaw ni Alyssa Valdez. Simulan niyo na.
Ano sisimulan? Suzy, ano masasabi mo? I'm so happy. I see the cordon. How do you say the name of this place? Codorniu. Codorniu. Again. Codorniu. In Philippines, cordon bleu. Codorniu. Codorniu. 6 hours.
I guess Vietnam thought it's good.
Kaya pa namin po. Dati sa Morgan. Siya gusto mo yung ganito. Oh, siya may ganun. May nakakatot naman dito. Oh, parang hindi lang ilang century. Madali.
Nice to go for.
Oh, shucks. Oh, shucks. Ito ba ang pag-ibig na?
Oh shucks, ito ba ang pag-ibig?
Guys, careful. Slippery. Ay, ang dami na. Ito ba So, Lori, pag nalasing ka, huwag ka nang umakyat. Dito ka na lang. Nice. Look at that. How low the ceiling. Ay, oh my, direct. Horror movie pala ito. Ay! Lori. Lori, manggugulat ka pa eh, no? Manggugulat ka. Ang lalim. Now, we are 20 meters underground. Wow.
Cheers! My friend, cheers! Cheers at the
If it
This is me after one glass of Calvert.
No cap off.
chug it. Wow, sumat-sabi siya natin ng
This is us.
Okay naman yung tama naman si Sergio.
The ones we had, to the ones we've got, to the ones that got away, and to the ones we'll get in the future.
Please! Please! Salute it!
Finally, dating na kami ng hotel, pero hindi pa tapos yung lalabas pa kami tonight. Eliza, let's go! We have team dinner pa. And then, yeah, let's get it, guys. We'll prepare lang. We're on our way to dinner. Parang sarap ng dinner natin. There's a truffle resort. Sabi yung ilaw, guys. Ganda. Golden hour. Golden hour. We're excited to have dinner. I'm excited to sleep. We're excited to have dinner and sleep. Available na nakapit. Gusto niya din, pero gusto niya sa plato mo. That's like I saw get that. Pero hindi na pa ng favorite. Again? Yeah. Wait. Ay. Sabihin pa kuya. This one. This one. Hindi ko alam. So medyo quiet na yung mga tao kasi we had a long day. It's a combination of bread, bruschetta, con patatas, con prosciutto. Kaya pa guys, hello po. 10 p.m. na sa Philippines. Nagdi-dinner pa lang tayo. What a energetic dinner. It's not There's a truffle risotto. Ay, nag-record na siya. Hello? Hello po?
Just for me, but we need it.
Dessert! Okay. Hey, after this, we're gonna go and sleep. Ay, marami yung kapit. Ay, hindi siya not. Please see the windows first. Kita mo kaya. There's Nougat, a friend and me. We're eating again. Good morning, day 2. This vlog, food and food and food. How do you find the salad?
I find it here.
I find it there also on the other side.
I like your salad. I like it very much. I your salad.
I don't know, that's for her. Orange pie. The main course. Oh, they don't call it French fries. We're in France. That's why they call their fries homemade because it's redundant to call it French fries. And then the dessert, they said chocolate cake. Hi guys, we're in Andorra. You can shop daw here in Andorra kasi mas mura. For the shopping! Hey! Dati, lagi kaming nagpa-partner ni Pei ng mga damit. So ngayon, parehas na naman kami ng gustong bilhin. Hey! Wow! Sir! Okay, safe kami. Nakalabas po ng walang dala. Safe! Pero may babalikan. After 2 hours, we're back here. May sinasabi ka? Ano ako dahil? Happy. Bea got so much.
Hey, Noah, that is yours. Excuse you.
That's fine. So guys, one tip. If you're gonna go here in Andorra or like overnight period, diretso na kay Andorra, you can spend the whole day here. So yun lang yung isa sa mga tips namin. You can spend the whole day here in Andorra. It's kinda far. Para mas sulitin yun na. We're gonna go back to the hotel in Barcelona and we'll have dinner there. Let's stay tuned! Bye! Morning! Actually, hindi pa kami nakaka-prepare. Bangon na kami literally. Just to go, roll, and run. Yeah. We'll see. Ito lang naman yung view namin every day. Here in the city of Barcelona. So, what happened to us yesterday? After Andorra, we had dinner lang. Hindi ko na nakuhanan sa hotel. And after dinner sa hotel, naglakad kami dito. Uy, anong oras na? Nasa labas pa kayo? No. Sama po namin si Ate Lai. Okay lang po ako. Sasalo. Show your face. Nag-park kami. Medyo ang daming nangyari.
Go, Ate Lai.
So, I wasn't able to take a video of it, but it was fun. Una.
Padapa.
Intimate usapan.
Ay, sarado na.
We ended a little bit late.
Muna, para mas...
But as an athlete, grabe po, si Rosemary Vargas. We're up and about to work out and run. And later, we're going to eat breakfast. See you guys, day 3.
Turning.
Hi. Good morning. Team no running. Team walking. Team 10 minutes walk as per PT Jex. Let's go. Let's jog. Let's run.
Gomeras anywhere.
Wow. We made it! 3K in Barcelona! This is us after 3K in Barcelona. We made it! Yay! 3K done! When your group is, all athletes in a trip, this is what happened. So, pag puro athletes yung kasama mo sa trip, dito po yung nangyayari in the morning. I'm so proud of everyone. City tour! So we've decided to wear white for the city tour. It's the food. Nakikita na kami. Hindi kasi nag-breakfast. Breakfast kayo? Of course na. Nakatulog ako after ko tumakbo. Saan ka tumakbo? Bakit tumakbo? Naisip ni Jem. Stop na. Soup pala ni Jem. Ay, tama na.
Maganda kang pumasok sa loob yan.
Ang init ng ulo ng friend ko. Ito na. Pag hindi talaga nakakain yung friend ko.
Kailangan ko na kumain para magkaroon.
Friend, kakain na tayo, friend. Sir, pasensya na mainit yung ulo ng friend ko dito.
Ay naman.
Sabi naman ng popogi naman ng mga nasa likod.
Pinatapak.
Okay, so how do you find Barcelona after 2 days?
Malamig.
A lot of beautiful girls.
I was here and then I found Barcelona. Barcelona found me there outside.
How do you find Barcelona?
Find it in Google Maps.
Yes, perfect! Ikaw, Sir Alan, how do you find it?
Muy bien.
So bien. Can you tell us about your outfit today?
H&M.
H&M.
Yes.
H&M.
From head to toe? No.
Ah, okay.
My sandals is Celine.
Yes?
Celine pala. It's
different. How about you? What's your outfit? I don't know. What are you wearing? I don't know. What's this? It's a jacket.
It's Zara.
Zara. Let's see. Wrong place to look. Lalabas ka na. So how about you?
Uniqlo, H&M.
Hey, Zara.
Zara Nabati.
Zara Nabati. Appreciate niyo naman yung mga coaches namin. Ayos naman kayo ng coach, ito kayo sa baba. Hi. And I am wearing my smile today. Yes.
Me, myself, and I. I'm wearing the smile you gave me.
Oh yeah. What are you wearing today? Me smile, si Toti confident.
My attitude.
Wow. Hey.
Ano kasi mapupunta?
Ata. Okay, there are two types of tourists. Exhibit A and Exhibit B.
What?
Ito na po yun.
Tama na.
Yeah.
This vlog is all about food we eat here in Barcelona. We're having lunch.
Wow, Pinoy si Kuya. How long pa na dito, Kuya?
Ay, medyo matagal-tagal na. 15 years.
Wow! Salamat po, Kuya. Happy? Chongkot. Sabi mo ko. Hindi niya gusto kasi hindi matamis.
Kaya mo pinapatigim sa akin.
Oh, the second plate.
Gano'n kaya kasal dito?
Kano kaya binyag dito?
Pakasalang bayan kaya.
So we're entering Sagrada.
Alas pa, sister.
Dito, pre. Nakikita niyo yung blankong doon. Si ate lang yung ilalagay dyan.
Ayun na boss, may tanong pa. Isang pagita po ba sa loob?
Oo. Gano'n kaya sa pagkita rito?
Entry.
May tango dyan sa may Espanya, marami. Mga blue boys dyan. Ingat ka lang dyan, friend.
Mga nag-i-effect.
Ma'am, papakit mo!
Size 10, black, brown shoes, size 10. May magpa-park sa likod, may magpa-park.
Hello, listen.
Hi, hello, welcome. Oh, Gaudi did that with his people. They made Amkitan in order to celebrate the beginning of Jesus' life.
So we have this one
Christians
to hear
just a little
everything she's saying about the place. So
president. As a president.
Station 1, President Station.
Okay, ready na yung station.
Entry yan.
Bigyan mo nga ako ng update dyan. Anong hitsura dyan?
One piece chicken, meron ba spicy dyan, yung wing?
Spicy wala, leg lang. Ayan na. Grabe yung stethoscope ni friend. Ang matalino yung stethoscope.
Inhale.
Okay.
Exhale.
Pero yung heart wala dyan sa side na yan. Inhale. Paella.
Ayun mo. Blue collagen.
Grabe si Rose. Daming entry. Nakakatino siya po sa Sagrada. Dinner time. It's so funny because we always start our meals right here in Barcelona with bread, sambal, salmic, and olive oil. Perfecto.
Oo, nante, baka pag uwi ko may abs na ulit. Because? Baka sexy na ako pag uwi ko. Bakit? Ang gulay natin. Basher. Masama talaga yung guiding yun.
Oh my gosh.
Sama po talaga yung Sally ni Dendon Lazaro.
I approve this message. May bago kami food pero nagkakanta. Until the end of time, all I need, my love, my Valentine. And even if the sun refuses to shine.
Si Pam, sa hatid na sipon sa Tivoli. Tinanong ko siya, saan ka pinapadaan? Sabi niya, dadaan siya sa Barangado.
Bakit pa, Doktor? Kasi DR. Okay, tama naman siya. Oo. Ano nga ako pinapadaan niya ng para ka-ST?
Paano daw pag-ST?
Sing!
Mag-check ako ng ano ko, dictionary.
Vocabulary.
Finally,
Gracias, gracias.
And we're going to Paris!
thank you so much, Barcelona. Bye, Barcelona. Thank you so much.
Kumusta naman ang mga turista? Welcome to Paris!
Paris without the S.
Okay, one more time. Welcome to Paris!
Wow.